Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by launching the YouTube app and tapping the plus sign to create a short. Make sure camera and microphone permissions are granted. Frame your shot vertically for a 9:16 ratio, then tap Effects. This is where you choose filters, R, or speed options before you press record. Once done, test a short clip to preview how an effect alters lighting or motion, because seeing the result live helps you decide if it supports your story. Now you'll apply the effect combination that supports your message. Pick a filter for mood, an AR effect for interaction, and adjust speed for dramatic emphasis. Use sliders or presets to control intensity and tap duration controls to limit where an effect appears. This matters for syncing with beats or actions. Make sure to layer thoughtfully. Add text after filters so colors remain readable, and preview playback to confirm transitions. Feel natural before moving to trimming. Finish by trimming your clip, adding captions and a thumbnail, then tap Next to set visibility and publish. This completes the workflow. If an effect glitches or won't apply, force close and reopen the app, toggle camera permissions, or update YouTube. Those quick fixes resolve most runtime issues. If playback still stutters, export or re-record at a lower resolution. Lower processing demand prevents effect drops while keeping visual quality acceptable for shorts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.